Hi, I'm Dr. Jason Walsh with Kairos Standard. Let's take a tour of our office here. This is our waiting area where patients are waiting for treatment. We have on display some wonderful pieces of art donated by our patients. All these are for sale and all proceeds go back to the artists themselves. This is one of our spinal decompression rooms. This is our main treatment room. We offer traditional chiropractic adjustments just like anybody else. We use computerized adjusting with the Pro Adjuster. It's the only one in Sarasota that I know of. Class 4 laser here. Use a lot of soft tissue tools, muscle aches, stuff like that. Got some awesome artwork for my children. Great, this is where we do the lumbar decompression. Patient lays here with his head here. Pelvis is attached to a strap here, which is anchored to a pulling mechanism there, and it gently pulls apart the spine here.